I'm at the Phantom stand here in Las Vegas. This is at the corner of Buffalo and Washington. This stand is for the Vegas Valor youth baseball group. They're raising funds so they can take their team to Cooperstown. See what they have. They have some Patriot snaps, red, white, and blue snaps. The Chinatown snaps. Phantom favorite assortment. The Neon Morning Glories, Jumbo Smoke Ball, Brouhaha Fountain, that is $50, Spirit of the Night. They have the Neon Smoke Candles. Here they have the Tornado Spinner. They have the Snakes in the Grass Snakes, Spark of the Brave, Fountain, Pledge of Power Fountain, Poppy Pride and Phantom Uproar fountains, Phantom Treasure and Bald Eagle Blaze fountains, Ballistic Bald Eagle. They have the Flaring Stars. They have a flag, sparkler, confetti lights, strobe sticks, the Crack the Whip, crackling pearls. So they have a color pearl flower here. For aerials, they have the Morning Glories. In the back, they have the Backyard Barrage assortment, $235. They have the Backyard Jubilee assortment, $560. Phantom Celebration and Phantom Chamber of Sparks assortments. Phantom Moonstruck. Peacock Tanfail, $100. Phantom Ground Jewel, $110. Apache Moon Dance for $100. Party All Night 5-minute duration fountain, $130. Down below they have the Fountain Pixie Dust Fountain, BOGO, Moon Dance Premiere, Flower Pot, Hasta La Vista Baby, the Point and Shoot, Happiness Fountain, Sundance. They have the Super Slugger handheld fountain, baseball bat size from Winda. And then they have the Curveball, that is a baseball spinning fountain. They have the number 500 parachute. They have the Galactic Series fountains. Luminescence and Illuminati Triangle backpack assortment, Phantom Awestruck assortment, Countdown Finale, and Fire Blast assortment. And that is what's available at the Phantom stand at Buffalo and Washington in Las Vegas.